I got a call from my good friend Joel. Joel is an artist, and he said, Luke, today I'm going to put the giant carved foot up in the tree. Do you want to come over and watch? How can I resist an invitation like that? So we're going to go check it out. Joel is an artist and a retired art teacher. Certainly not a retired artist. We're kindred spirits, I think, because he likes to upcycle.
Good morning, Luke.
Hey, so this is Joel at his house, and this is the tree that's behind Joel's house. What's the deal with the tree?
The tree died, which was sad because it was my favorite tree.
But at some point, this went from a tree to a sculpture.
As soon as I put the first one up.
Right.
And I did have in mind what you see, which is to put sculptures up.
Okay. So this is the foot that you called me about. This is the foot that's going on the tree.
With their foot.
So you used you used your own foot as the model. Do you mind if we make that comparison real quick?
Surprisingly, a number of people have looked at that and said, "Oh, Joel, it's your foot."
Oh, Joel, it's your foot.
So this chunk of wood was part of this tree, is that right?
Yes, it was a log off the tree.
Okay, so you're actually returning a part of the tree to the tree.
Yes.
And you're going to do that via rebar.
Yes.
So you've drilled a hole in the foot. So that fits in snug. So when you put this foot up onto the tree, you're going to do it with the rebar already in the foot.
No, I am going to put the rebar into the tree and put the foot onto the rebar.
That's right. And the tree has not been drilled out.
That's what I'm about to do.
Right, if I'd stop asking all these questions. So Joel is climbing a 14-foot ladder.
It's actually my son's orchard ladder.
And the foot is kind of heavy. Right now he's up there with the drill. Joel's on a really tall step ladder with the drill with a 5/8" paddle bit. And he's drilling into this limb where the foot goes.
Foot.
Strange things are afoot. I mean, how many foot jokes can we make in 2 minutes?
I would say foot. Can this go?
It cannot go in my mouth. Lucky for you, if you drop a nail, you'll have 4 more up there with you. Hey, what's up with the pant leg?
Oh, that covers a host of evils.
That's going to cover the joint between the branch and the foot. It looks pretty sweet from this vantage point. The position of the foot from here looks very much like someone has got their legs kicked up and relaxing.
Oh, definitely from this side I like it.
Joel and his wife Ann are great friends of our family, and they have an amazing Oregon view, I think this is great. I think the whole tree sculpture is great, and I think Joel is great. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you want to see more funky artists at work, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.